What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Hollywood Hustle channel, man. It's your boy B Holley, Holley. If you didn't know, that way, if you're looking for my channel in the future, or if anybody's looking for my channel in the future, you know it's Hollywood Hustle, Holley, Hollywood, not just without the E. Anyway, in today's video, man, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the Street Glide, which is pretty much complete. I just got a few things left that I need to do with it. I was calculating up some dollars and how much money I'm into it already. So, doing the business side of things right now with the 2014 Street Glide that we got from Copart. On top of that, I wanted to talk about something that I found at Lowe's that might be able to help you guys out if you, wash your own cars and stuff like that, like I do at home. But I was walking around in Lowe's because it's just right down the street from where I live. And I couldn't help but to notice this piece of equipment that would go with another piece of equipment of mine for when I'm washing cars at the house, and or for future reference, I might start a small detail business. Who knows? We got to get that Hollywood Hustle going. I might start that Hollywood Hustle detail, man, and start detailing some cars on the road and out here at the house maybe. I don't know yet. I already got too much stuff going on, but if you haven't already, man, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man. It really helps me out. I'm sure y'all already know that. Everybody says it, but I really appreciate all the subscriptions. I really appreciate all the people who's been watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, man. You already know more content is coming from Copart, from me out here hustling, just trying to keep the family fed, trying to keep myself fed, and keep God first, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, follow along. Let's go. And now, honestly, my garage is a mess, yo. So I really need to do some rearranging because I've been doing some work out back in the backyard. You see the BMW still here. We got some things coming special for that. Hopefully, we're going to pray on that. Got the Tahoe today. You see the Yukon is gone. The wife is in that with the kids right now. So I got a little time to kind of clean up the garage a little bit, and then most likely I'm gonna pull the Street Glide out in the sun because I want to get a little riding in on it today, maybe, who knows, and show y'all that attachment to my pressure washer that I bought. So I'll probably be washing the cars too. But before I get into all that, set y'all up on the tripod, man, and I'm gonna try to tidy up this garage a little bit. Hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Okay, I'm still trying to move some stuff out of my way and stuff, but you see I got the setup over here a little bit for what I'm about to do. Got my 1.25 gallon home sprayer in the Harbor Freight bucket. Here's my Ryobi 1900 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute workhorse right there. So what I was saying earlier, what did I do with it? Oh, there it is right there. So check this out. This is the Surface Max Professional Pressure Washer Accessories Kit, or Quick Connection Kit. As you can see, I've already took everything out of it, but if you can read it, it comes with the 7 pieces of quick connects for your garden hose, your pressure washer hose, your pressure washer hose on the other end, your pressure washer gun, your pressure washer pump outlet, and your pressure washer inlet, plus the bonus garden hose sprayer converter, which is this one right here. And it's clutch because I don't even know where it is. What did I do with it? It might be hooked up to the garden hose right now, but as you can see, I've got it already hooked up. Everything is quick connect on here, and it's been a lifesaver, a time saver. I've already got it hooked up on my pressure washer hose here, this end and the other end, and garden hose over here. Yeah, I think the quick one I had over here is already attached to it. So, here's my garden hose. I got this stretchy kind, but this is what I'm talking about. See, here's my garden hose. All I gotta do is pull this up, pop it off. See if I can do it. Yeah. See, quickly disconnect this sprayer hose from the garden hose, and then I can just pull back on this and then connect it straight into the pressure washer. Big time saver right there. Put you guys back on the tripod, and you'll see me probably hooking up this stuff and getting ready to wash up the Tahoe because it's dirty this week. We're gonna put a little something to the bike. We might ride it today and possibly wash up the BMW today. It just depends on how much time I feel like I got left, but man, y'all keep following along, man. Let's go. Gonna get as hot as it did today. It's only supposed to be a high of 70, but the sun shining now, definitely might have to take the bike out on the ride. But yeah, you seen it. Got everything put up now. That quick disconnect that I got from Lowe's, man. I really should start putting the stuff that I talk about in the description so y'all can go find that stuff yourself. But who knows? You already know what it is, man. Got everything put up. Got the garage cleaned up a little bit. See, I had to pull the leaf blower out to get the bike dried up real good. I was gonna wash the BMW, but I changed my mind on that. You see, I just put some water to it, really. Let's get a little shine on it, make sure it's still straight. Tahoe is shining up, clean and looking good. You can see me in it, so you know it's clean. So I'm happy about that, just in case I gotta slide in that later on today. You see that mirror shine? Woo! You see the bike in the thing. And you see that bike shining too. Yes, sir. Look at it. Sometimes it's hard to believe that this thing was wrecked like it was, trashed like it was. We put it back together, man. Minus all the little stuff that you don't see that is wrong with the bike. I wouldn't even say wrong with it. Minus the stuff that's the bike needs. She's ready to go. I'm feeling like I'm gonna slide on her a little bit later today. Maybe after this video, once I get done editing it, but you see that chrome shining, man. Woo. Yes, sir. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. You already know what I'm on. Hollywood Hustle. Putting that Hollywood Hustle detail to these whips. And as you can see, all this stuff came from Copart. This, that. Got to keep that stuff clean, man. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment if you want to talk to me, man. Hollywood Hustle. That's it for today's video. Let's go.